Good morning. We're here, still in Circus, and it's another day. We need to go to one of the nicest parts here in Vegas, which is the Hoover Dam and also the Grand Canyon. So I think the ladies are ready now. So next we're gonna rent a car. Okay. Okay, we're gonna check the car. Smile. And then it looks fine. We're good. We're good. Let's go inside. We're gonna go to Hoover Dam. Okay, we're stopping in a gas station. Before we go, it's better to have plenty of gas, right? And then getting coffee too. But this is my car today. We're supposed to rent a car, just a cheap one. You know, we're on a budget. But they upgraded us to an SUV. Avis rent a car in Circus. Okay, we're gonna stop for a scenic place. You like it, Mamo? It's windy. It's windy. Look at this place. Woo. That's Nevada. Look at that portion there. Woo. Wow. Woohoo. Very beautiful. Lake Mead. There it is. Okay, scenic view first before the main Hoover Dam. It's gonna long climb for us. It's gonna be our exercise today. No? Busy. Oh my god, it's a long walk still. Look at that, very scary though. That's the Hoover Dam. Going back to Nevada. Lindot, and go to the main dam. Look at the view. That's the bridge. On top. Yeah, amazing. I'm gonna go to the visitor center. Feel the desert. Visitor Center, Hoover Dam Tours. Oh, there's a tour? Yes. So we're gonna walk the Hoover Dam since we got the parking already. And we're gonna cross the dam itself. Half of the dam is Arizona and half is Nevada. So hopefully we can get in the center and have a picture. You're here, Mamo, at last. Bucket list. Check. So let's walk the dam. Now Nevada time, there's Arizona time. Oh, what is this? You went inside?
No, it's restroom, men's restroom.
That's the dam, Mamo. Yeah, this would have been a while ago. And look at Kyle. He's still at the end.
Come on. Where's he going?
So it's currently hot outside now, but it's good that we have this one. It's gonna be the spot here, the Arizona side, and that's the Nevada side, and then you're in the middle here. You're in the middle of both states. You can cross this area.
That's Arizona.
Yeah, you wanna cross the dam later? We can just go and turn around there. So this is the back of the dam. I used to park there, but this is the back portion. You can see the water has decreased so much, right, Pamo?
Yeah, the water is like
And you don't have any much more water anymore.
below.
And this is the hydro something electric, where they create the electricity, you know. But there it is. There's a lot of boats there. At the end part there of the view. And Paul's still like on the side. He hasn't
He's in the Nevada side and we
walked
are in the Arizona
the
side.
middle of this one.
Okay.
Another pole there. Yeah, we're halfway. Okay, let's start to go back. Mana ni siya? Labang tri niya, balik na tayo.
Lalabang na dali.
Si Kala magagunit sa siminto. Ligo naman itong oy, kadlok. Na picture pa yun, oh. Na picture pa kay gunit yung siminto no. Nay patagyo.
Sides.
Oh, Nevada o Arizona ni siya nga kuan. Each side. Oh. Okay, let's go na.
Balik na pa.
Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Details.
Buwan na lang tubig na.
When I come here, gift store. Ooh. Wow. Ah, it's nice though. Lots of souvenirs. It's not gonna break. I like this one. What's that again?
It's a Hoover Dam water.
Did you win? Oh.
Ano ba? Ito ba?
Uh-huh.
Ano kami daw yung spot?
Since it's almost lunchtime, might as well eat now, and then we're gonna go drive to Grand Canyon. Wow, that's a big burger there. Okay. It's so big. Look at that, bigger than my hands. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you like the video. Thank you very much for watching. Till next time. Bye.